The new BYD Dolphin G DM-i PHEV 2026 was created for the European market. BYD has long ceased to be a brand that is perceived with a grin. The Chinese auto giant is methodically conquering market after market, and the new Dolphin G DM-i is another serious argument in this offensive. The car was created with a specific goal: to give the European buyer the best of an electric car without forcing him to sacrifice the usual convenience of a gasoline hatchback. The result is a compact city car with a fifth-generation hybrid installation, which fits into dense urban traffic in size and has a power reserve that is not inferior to cars with a conventional engine. From the outside, the Dolphin G is noticeably different from the electric version of the Dolphin, which many already know. The body has become wider and lower. The proportions have changed in favor of a more squat, dynamic silhouette. The length is 4,160 millimeters, the width is 1,825 millimeters. The designers adhered to the concept of ocean aesthetics. A real radiator grille appeared in front. There's a solid LED strip at the back, the discs are new, and the letter G in the name hints at the model's global ambitions. The heart of the car is the super hybrid system, also known as DMI. 1.5-liter naturally aspirated gasoline engine produces 94 horsepower, and an electric motor produces 161 or 194 horsepower, depending on the version. In total, the system develops from 174 to 209 horsepower. The principle of operation here is smart. The gasoline engine turns the generator and charges the battery most of the time, and connects directly to the wheels only on the highway at high speed. This reduces fuel consumption and makes the ride smooth. The battery here is lithium iron phosphate, blade technology from BYD itself, known for its high degree of safety and durability. On a single charge, the car travels up to 105 kilometers on the WLTP cycle. For most urban residents, such a supply will last for several days without a single drop of gasoline. When the battery runs out, the gasoline engine comes into play, and the total mileage exceeds 1,000 kilometers. Consumption in hybrid mode is less than 4 liters per 100 kilometers. Fast, direct current charging is also supported, so in a city with a well-developed infrastructure, the battery can be replenished during lunch. There are 4 configuration options for Europe: Inside, Active, Boost, Comfort, and Sport Edition. The central multimedia screen is large and can rotate 90 degrees horizontally or vertically, depending on the task. The interior trim has been redesigned to suit European preferences, and the materials are more pleasant to the touch than in early Chinese models. Sports-type seats with side support. Electronics include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping system, and automatic emergency braking. In Europe, sales will start in the summer of 2026. The base price is expected to be around 27,000 euros, while the top-end Sport Edition will reach 32,000 euros. For a plug-in hybrid with such characteristics, it's competitive. Don't expect a car in the US. 100% duties on Chinese cars makes its appearance there meaningless from a commercial point of view. Did you like the car? Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.